Hey everybody, this is Sully with 5 Freaking Onion Rings, and yeah, today I got a tip from Michael Johnston on how to enable RSSI in Configurator, and I wanted to go over it. And if you don't know what RSSI is, it is the Received Signal Strength Indication. And that's basically what type of connection you have to your receiver between your transmitter and your receiver. I just wanted to enable it in OSD. So I was like, wow, really? I thought I needed a special controller because I just use these little cheapo FlySky A8S, like 3-wire cheap receiver at $6 from Banggood. And I didn't think it output RSSI. And then, yeah, so apparently there was a change in Betaflight on how to do it. So one of the first things you want to do is go into your OSD and enable RSSI value and place it where you want it to be, and I put mine right up here. Once you set your OSD, you're going to go to the Configuration tab and you're going to enable RSSI signal strength, and that is actually all you have to do. Save and reboot. There we go. Okay. So now you see I have RSSI, and it was that simple. I didn't know that, but as you see right now, it is 9%, and that is backwards, and that's due to my FlySky. So since this is on an Omnibus F3, and UART 3 is set for FlySky, I have to invert my signal, or I'm saying, yeah, FlySky iBus, I have to invert my signal. So once you enable RSSI, you just go to CLI, you do get RSSI, and you'll see RSSI invert off. And what you really want to do is go set RSSI underscore invert equals. This is Sully from the future. I hate editing sometimes, but I realize that obviously if your RSSI value is in the 90s whenever you enable RSSI, then you're fine, and if not, you have to go into here to invert or uninvert, either way. So it flips either way on. Save it. It's going to reboot, and blammo, I'm at 90%, which is about what I get for an RSSI on that tiny little cheap receiver. I would never get 99%. It just ain't happening. I might get as high as 93%. But that's it. It's a short video. I know it was 2 minutes, but I didn't know it worked like that. So I got to tell you, this works from Betaflight 3.51 that I've tested all the way through all of the development builds of 4.0 and 4.1. So tried it several times. Thought it would be a great hint if you haven't done it and you wanted to see RSSI. If you're doing not long range, because most of the people who do long range know a little bit more about Betaflight than I do. That's for certain. But yeah, it's just a simple little setup. That's going to do it. It's just a little tip. Something like I say that Michael Johnson. Did I get that right? Yeah, Michael Johnson told me to do it, and I'm actually really happy I did, since I was wondering what I got. And yeah, it was good. I was just wondering how the cheap antenna was working. So, or the cheap receiver. Thanks so much. Give a like and a thumbs up if this was helpful. If not, tell me what I did wrong, but I don't think there was anything wrong. Anyway, it was just a short little video. Thank you so much. Y'all have a good one. Take care.